Okay, now we are seeing melting and boiling point. Okay,
Gallium and cesium.
तो क्या लिखा है? Sodium, potassium, cesium and gallium metals have low melting points. Right? Generally metals क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है? मेटल का हाई होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या दिख रहा है आपको? मेटल्स का लो है.
Low.
Diamond is a non-metal which has a very high melting and boiling point. Generally non-metals
So diamond
melts in the
Yes.
very high temperature if you provide at that time. Some
Yes.
chances are there, otherwise no. Okay, but generally sodium, potassium, cesium, gallium, they have low melting point, but being a metal they should have high, but still they show what? They show low melting points, you know. And diamond being a non-metal,
sir, because sodium, sir, lithium must also have low melting point, right? Low
lithium also
melting
can be
point,
there,
right?
not a problem. Lithium can also be there. ठीक है, डायमंड का कम होना चाहिए था, लेकिन क्या है, ज्यादा है नॉन मेटल होके भी. ठीक है, ये एक्सेप्शन है. समझ में आई मेरी बात?
Sir, iodine,
आयरन का क्या है?
does it have like low boiling point or high? Sorry, low melting point or high melting point?
Iodine is non-metal, right? Iodine तो बहुत, iodine is sublimable, you know that, ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो low boiling, melting point, boiling point, उसका तो डायरेक्ट कुछ होता नहीं, उसका डायरेक्ट वेपराइजेशन होता है उसका, करेक्ट ना? नो मेल्टिंग, नो
So
बॉइलिंग,
directly subliminal.
डायरेक्टली गैस में जाना है. आयन देख किधर
Sir,
रहे हो?
1 second, I'm writing.
हाँ,
Sir, I'm writing 1 second.
ठीक है. Should I push ahead?
Sir, one. Not just one.
Yes. Sir, finish.
Okay. Any doubts here? Otherwise we will move ahead. Allowed.
No, sir, no doubt.
Next is your density.
Sir, 1 second, let me take a screenshot.
ना take ना. तो क्या बोल रहे हैं इसमें? Alkali
Sir,
metal.
the one above.
Lithium, sodium, potassium, they have low densities, just like non-metals. Correct? They should have had, being a metal, they should have had a high density, but here they are showing what? Here they are showing less densities, low densities. Correct? Generally, density should be high. Here they are showing very, very less density. Okay?
Sir, what is francium? Sir, what is francium?
Francium is the name of a metal.
Sir, it is showing the nuclear sign or something about that. What is the alkali metal?
Yeah, it is alkali metal that and it is nuclear.
Alkali metal मतलब lithium, sodium, potassium, इन लोगों को alkali metal का नाम कहा जाता है. इनको combined they are given a name called as alkali metals, like that. ठीक है? In combined form they are called as alkali metals. Okay.
Sir, francium is very dangerous.
How do you know?
Sir, it is radioactive.
Okay. Good. Good. Okay, any doubt here? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
होता का टॉयलेट स्वच्छ होता का हे आमचे काय सांगता येत नाही.
Nishad mute.
ठीक है. Thank you very much.
Sir, I suppose those two men have low density.
Yes, sir.
Two men have?
Yes.
No density.
Sir, they have low density perhaps.
They are low density. Two men. Okay.
Yes, sir. Mango,
Sir,
please.
one behind the O in U and one climbing a ladder. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Okay, fine. Good. Kusti has periodic table. Good. Fine. So we are done with this chapter, right? We are done with this chapter.
Sir, which is the next chapter now?
All of you know when your
Syllabus.
I'll tell. All of you know when your exams are there, whom have exams are there? कब है आपका
Yes,
exam?
sir.
Sir, September.
Hi,
Sir,
guys.
somewhere in November.
So September.
November, I suppose.
Our F1 exams have not even started yet.
Right. Okay.
Homi Baba is in September or November, no?
Yeah.
It got postponed to November.
Yes.
Yes. It will be in November.
Then we
Suppose
will
2
have
months.
more time to prepare.
No, same amount of time. 2 months skip happened, right? 2 months late.
No, it's no. So all of you, how much time you
I
have?
don't know. We will have more time now.
Yes. How much time you have now? August, September, and October, November. 4 months you have. Correct. And when we started I think in May. Correct? May, June, July.
So we have 3 or so months. 4 or 5 months.
Correct. You have 4 months. Nice time to prepare you have. Okay. Prepare nicely. And next topic which we are going to see is about your
Sir, how many chapters are left?
1. Right. 1 chapter is left. Okay.
Frozen.
What, sir?
1 chapter is left.
Sir, what is it?
हाँ क्या बोल रहे हो कुछ
Sir, chapter.
Sir, you're frozen.
Fiber to fabric.
You're frozen.
Yeah, fiber
Yes,
to fabric.
fiber to fabric.
Fiber to fabric in bio.
क्या बोल रहे हो अभी हो रही है कुछ
No.
Oh, fiber to
No.
fabric. How can
In
it be
the,
bio?
in the foundation book, it is in bio.
Yeah, it's there in biology, na? Fiber and fabric, correct? No?
Sir has.
Okay. So one last topic is remaining.
Sir, it is in biology.
It is called as miscellaneous. Your mass and density formula that we are going to see. Something related to density. Okay.
Sir, what chapter?
And
Wait. Am I audible to all of you?
Sir,
Sir, your voice
you are
is
audible,
breaking.
sir, but your voice is sir, and
Breaking.
it's lower. I can't hear you properly.
Now I am audible.
Sir, your screen is frozen.
Okay, that's okay. Am I audible now? Or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Now you are audible.
Hello.
Sir, not yet.
Now something is coming.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are seeing now a new chapter. Okay. What's the time you want to break? Huh? Okay. I'll just give the introduction to this chapter and then we'll begin. Okay. So name of the topic is what? Miscellaneous.
miscellaneous density, water, and formulas.
Correct. This is our last topic.
Water for
Is there maths?
Match kya match?
No, sir,
Not cricket
maths. Arey,
Okay, sir,
maths.
math.
Yes.
Okay.
You are saying match for maths.
Sir,
I'm
math.
saying math.
Sir,
ठीक
math.
है, बाद में वो टाइम पास. अब देखो टॉपिक का नाम क्या, मिसलेनियस डेंसिटी वाटर फॉर्मूलाज.
Sir, could you give break? No, sir. In 8 minutes.
Yes, but I think all of you should take break now only because new topic we are starting.
Okay.
We'll start.
Okay, sir.
You come back in 5 minutes. ठीक है? You take break now only. We'll start with new topic freshly. ठीक है?
Sir, we will come back at 6:13.
Okay, fine. Come back.
6:30. 6:30.
13.
Oh, 13.
31, 13.
Hello, is anyone there? Please say no if you are not there and yes if you are there.
Dipanshu, keep quiet.
Sorry, sir. Sir, what is ahead in this chapter?
I'll tell when it starts. Okay, all are there? लोग आइए वापस. Okay. Fine. Now density सबको पता ही होगा क्या होता है density, है ना? Mass per unit volume, बराबर कि नहीं? Density सबको पता है, correct?
Yes, sir.
इसके बारे में देखने वाले, पानी के बारे में देखने वाले, है ना? तो उसका फॉर्मूला, है ना? Let's try to analyze certain situations now. Okay. Yes. Who would like to read? Could raise your hand.
Sir, Dipanshu speaking. Can I read, please?
Whoever raises hand
Can I
first.
read, Anay?
ठीक. अब हो गया. सब लोग हाथ नीचे करो, हाथ नीचे करो सब लोग. Put your hand down. Okay. I will say 3, 2, 1. 1 के पहले जो किया वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं बोलेगा. 1 के बाद जिसका पहले आएगा वो पहले बोलेगा. ठीक है? 3, 2. आउट.
सर मुझे समझा ही नहीं मैं.
आउट आउट. आत्मजात आउट. अगेन. 3.
सर क्या करना था?
Those whoever wants to
I
read,
am also out.
raise your hand. Okay. Once I say 1, Dipanshu out. Whoever raises a hand first is out. Atmaja and Dipanshu are out. They cannot read now, even if they first raise their hand. 3, 2, and 1.
Done.
Okay. First hand came off was Anjali.
Sir, Anjali.
First hand came was Anjali. Okay, last time also, but she won this time. Okay, you read.
मम्मी कॉल कर तो कहीं अगला कर.
Me, sir. I am okay. Please mute.
Wait. Shh. आयन क्या चिल्ला रहे हो? Yes, Anjali, you read.
Sir, I forgot that I was on mute.
Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today, Ammi was making her favorite food, puri and spicy potatoes. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the puri and put it in the hot oil. She saw at first that the puri sank to the bottom of the pan. As it puffed up, the puri came up and started floating on the oil. One puri did not puff up and did not float like others. On seeing this, Aisha took some dough and rolled it into a ball. She flattened it and put it in the bowl of water. Alas, it sank to the bottom and stayed there.
क्या आपको सीखने मिल रहा है इसमें से? What you are learning from this? Anyone can answer. What you are learning from this? पूरी फ्राई होते हुए सबने देखा होगा.
Sir, hot air expands. That is, sir, hot air from the boiling water, like the hot air escaped from the boiling water, and then it entered into the puris, and then the puri puffed up, and then it came up. Because hot air expands and it travels upwards.
Sir, can I tell?
हाँ, tell. Okay, Dipanshu, good. हाँ, tell.
Sir, when we put the puri in the hot kadhai, then the that oil and the heat, their density becomes low than the puri, and that's why so float on the oil. And when we only put water and put the puri, means dough flattened, then the density will be more of puri than the water.
Okay.
So it will sink.
Okay, yes, correct. Good. So when you put puri in the oil, what happens? It will go on the top. Okay, Anna understood. It will go on the top, right? Why it goes on the top? Its density will decrease. As soon as it becomes hot, correct? We know that hot items they have less density, so it will come up on the top. पहले क्या जैसे तेल में आप डालते हो पूरी, है ना? जैसे 2-3 दिन पहले मैं कुछ बना रहा था, तो जैसे मैं डालता था तो क्या जाता तेल के पूरा नीचे जाता था वो, और जैसे वो उसमें ये आता है तो वैसे क्या होता है वो ऊपर आ जाता है, करेक्ट? ऊपर आ जाता है सब, करेक्ट? व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज ऑफ द लेस डेंसिटी. लेकिन क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ ना? एक पूरी को कुछ नहीं हुआ, डिड नॉट फ्लोट लाइक द अदर पूरीज. सो व्हाट वाज डन ना? तो क्या करता है अर्ना जावदा, जब देखता है कि पूरी वो ऊपर आया नहीं तो क्या करता है अर्ना जावदा? पानी में पूरी डालता है.
Sir, your voice is breaking and your video is pausing.
Sir,
we cannot.
listen.
Sir,
Sir,
Okay,
you
okay,
are,
okay.
sir, you can turn your video off.
sir cannot listen.
Okay,
I
now
cannot
you
see
are
sir
able to-
only. I think sir left.
Sir, turn this
Sir,
video.
why did you rename me like stop eating?
because you were eating. That's why.
You were eating that giant.
Why are you named Amne?
I noticed that from first one.
Okay, now you are able to hear me properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear you properly.
Yes, sir.
हाँ ठीक है. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था कि क्या बोल रहा था मैं? हाँ, मान लो कौन अपना क्या नाम है उसका, अर्नब यादव को देखता है मम्मी ने पूरी डाला पानी में, लेकिन पूरी ऊपर आया नहीं. क्यों नहीं आया अर्नब?
सर क्योंकि पहले ऑयल जो होता है वो ठंडा होता है और वो गैस पे गर्म हो जाता है और हम पूरी जो डालते हैं पहली तो वो ठंडी होती है और फिर ऑयल की वो जब जाती है तो उसकी डेंसिटी ऑयल से कम हो जाती है.
उसकी डेंसिटी कम है, लेकिन पानी में क्यों नहीं फ्लोट करता? गर्म पानी में पूरी डाल
Because
दो.
oil density becomes higher than the puri, the buoyant force increases.
Sir, I think you should leave and rejoin again.
Wait. Now it will be okay. Now it's
Atmaja, don't annotate.
I thought that
Dipanshu.
sir will.
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या? बताओ.
Yes, sir.
Can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dipanshu, why do you want to become teacher and instruct everyone every time?
Sir, it's his hobby.
It's. I think I should change my network here.
Sir, it's his habit only, sir.
It's not a hobby. It's a habit. It's a bad habit. Yes, Dipanshu.
Sir, he does it when we're playing also.
Dipanshu, correct na?
Yeah.
It's not a good habit. It's a bad habit, right? Yes or no?
Sir.
Kicking in between.
I guess I should wait a minute. I'll change my network. Okay. I'll change my network. Just a minute. Give me a minute. Something is going wrong. Wait. Give me a
Sir,
minute.
we cannot hear you.
Wait. I'm just changing my network. Wait.
You just
It's,
you always, and your bad habit is that you always tell things which happened in the past.
He's making fun
That's-
of. Don't be
Okay.
angry.
Now am I audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's turn on my video. Now it's okay. I have just changed my network. I think it should be okay now.
sir, still your video is pausing, then again coming, pausing, then again
Okay.
coming.
Okay.
Cracking.
Okay. So I was telling that Arnav Jadhav. Yes, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
समजा पाण्यात गरम पाण्यात पुरी टाकली तर वरती येते का?
No, sir.
का बरं नाही येत? तेलात टाकल्यावरतीच का बरं येते? Why only in oil, not in hot water?
Sir, puri has more density than the water, boiling water.
पण तेलामध्ये काय होतं मग? तेलामध्ये काय होतं?
Sir, तेलात टाकली की ते
आधी ते
येणार.
खाली जातं ना? आधी खाली जातं मग ते खालून वरती येते. Have you seen that?
सर कारण की ती पुरी असते ती आधी थंड असते आणि त्याची डेन्सिटी जास्त असते आणि जे आपलं तेल असतं ते म्हणजे आपण गॅसवर ठेवलेलं असतं त्याच्यामुळं त्याची डेन्सिटी कमी झालेली असते आणि मग जेव्हा ते पुऱ्या तळल्या जातात म्हणजे तळल्या जातात तेव्हा त्या फुगतात.
सर मी सांगू? Can I tell?
Wait. अर्णव काय झालं? म्यूट आहेस तू.
तर सांगितलं
हा ठीक आहे, तू म्हटलं तेलात टाकल्यावरती ते वरती येतात, पण पाणी पण तर गरम आहे ना, पाण्यात पण का वरती येत नाही? आलं का लक्षात तुझा प्रश्न? यू अंडरस्टँड माय क्वेश्चन? वॉटर इज ऑल्सो देयर. इन वॉटर ऑल्सो यू आर पुटिंग. इन ऑइल इट विल कम अप, बट वॉटर डज इट कम अप? Yes. Who wants to answer?
सर पाणी सर पाणी ऑइल एवढं हीट कंडक्ट नाही करू शकत.
ऑइल एवढं हीट कंडक्ट नाही करत. ठीक आहे. ओके. आयन
Yes, sir.
बोलो. हाथ ऊपर किया तुमने.
Sir.
कुछ बोलना है तुमको?
What, sir? I cannot hear you, sir.
I have
No,
told
sir.
you,
I did not say anything.
I have told you the question, right? Why is your puri not floating in water?
Sir, because it is more dense than water.
It's more dense than water. Okay, that's all right. But in oil it will come up, na? Hot oil it will come up. But in hot water, does it come up? Puri? Why it happens? That's what I'm
No,
asking.
sir.
That's what is the reason I'm asking. I'm asking the reason. Yes, Anay.
Sir, it becomes less dense.
Okay, in water it doesn't become less dense. In water it doesn't become less dense.
Sir,
Air fills up all the air pushes the puri up. Sir, air pushes the puri up.
air pushes the puri
The
up.
air escapes from the hot oil and it pushes the puri.
The buoyant.
It's not doing in water.
As a buoyant force. Not buoyant force, sorry.
Why in water?
So actually it should happen in water also.
Buoyant force is only in water. This is air.
Sir, it should happen in water also. In boiling water, same should happen.
No.
The air escapes from it. It pushes the puri up.
Anyone else would like to
Hot
answer?
air expands and it travels upwards. That is why it is hot air balloon. Na.
Okay, anyone else would like to answer?
Sir, can I try?
Sir,
Okay, yes, Anjali can answer.
Because the density of oil and water is different.
Okay, okay. So could you explain some more?
If you put something in oil, then it might float or sink. And if you put something in water, it might float or sink. But the density of water is less than the density of oil. So
Okay, okay, very good.
something is more likely to sink in water while float in oil.
Okay, right, right, very good. Hmm. So there's a difference ना in density. ऑयल का डेंसिटी अलग है, पानी का डेंसिटी अलग है, करेक्ट?
अलग है
ऑयल को पानी के ऊपर डालता है तो क्या होता है, बताओ?
सर ऑयल ऊपर ऐसे रहता है और पानी नीचे होता है
हाँ, पानी goes down, correct? So similarly here also, because oil density is less, when puri is, correct, it rises up, correct, and what fills up in there, वहां पर आपका एयर उसमें भर जाता है, हवा रहता है उसमें, correct? इसलिए वो ऊपर आ जाता है. Same may not happen with the water, it will happen with the oil. Okay, now let's find out what happens. What is the analysis of her? Think of what would happen if Aisha put a puffed puri in a bowl of water. Would it sink or float? First question. ठीक है, आंसर मत दो. You put a steel plate on water. Would it sink or float? What would happen to a spoon? Would the cap of
Can I
plastic...
answer this one
Wait,
for the second?
wait. Would the cap of plastic bottle sink or float on water? If I put a soap in water, what will happen? You can answer one by one. One by one you can answer. ठीक है?
Sir, Dipanshu is speaking. Can I answer?
Dipanshu is?
और can I
Dipanshu is speaking. Could I please answer the second one?
Wait. Can I? Who was saying can I? Anirudh.
Sir, Dipanshu.
Anyone else would like to answer? Yes, Yajna, would you like
I
to
will
answer?
answer.
Yajna, would you like to answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I answer the second one?
Okay, go
Can
ahead.
I answer the first one?
Sir, steel plate would not steel plate would not float because its density is much higher than water and even the spoon.
Okay, correct.
No, sir.
Uh,
The spoon will sink, but the plate will float.
It will float because its density is spread out.
Yes, and its volume is also greater, and
No,
so
its
the
volume is
buoyant force,
lower.
so the buoyant, greater na. So the buoyant force or the area will be greater, so the buoyant force will be larger.
Okay, good.
Sir, the density is spread out on that flat surface of the plate.
Okay, wait. How many of you
And
think
also-
that steel plate would float on water? You can raise it. पहले सब लोग अपना हाथ नीचे करो. Okay, how many of you feel that this plate would sink on water? Steel plate would float on water. How many of you think? Okay. 5. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.